More reasons to dance. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. In this video, I want to tell you about more reasons to dance. You know, strengthens your heart, strengthens your bones. You know, improves posture, prevents colds, dance can improves appetite, improves cholesterol levels, dance can lowers risk of certain cancers, lowers risk of diabetes, lowers high blood pressure, fights, dementia, eases back pain, decreases osteoporosis risks. Dance can do so many useful things. It has so many benefits for you. Reduces feeling of depression. I told you in previous video, it's like a therapy. Prevents muscle loss, increases energy and endurance, increases sports performance, increase pain resistance. When you wanna show your passion through dance, you can create a beautiful choreography, and it helps to focus and increases your dance's performance. Dance. Improves balance and coordination. What do you think? Write a comment for me about more reasons to dance. Dance improves oxygen supply to cells, improves concentration. Dance helps with self-control. I told you about choreography, right? Lessons fatigue. Sorry. Dance can increases satisfaction and sex drive. It makes life more exciting, and dance improves quality of your life. So it's so important. So just dance and have fun and be happy and be healthy. Okay? And if you like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Write a comment for me, and always remember there is only one you. Okay? So focus on yourself and your life, your beautiful body, your beautiful mind, your beautiful soul, if you believe, and you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. I love you. Bye.